Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hello. Am I audible right now? Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Am I audible?
Voice is not that clear. It's very feeble.
Yes, now you can hear me.
Yes.
Now the
Yes.
voice will be clear.
Okay. All right. Yes. We can hear you.
Yes. So good morning, everyone. Welcome back to this session. I'm so sorry we was having some network issues, so that I was unable to join the session on time. Okay. So no worries. So today we are going to start our session. So let me give me a moment so that I can share my screen. Okay, cool, done. Yeah. So first thing, okay. So let me start my presentation. Done. Okay. So today, okay, yesterday what we have discussed in the yesterday's session. Okay, just give recording. Okay, it's been recording too. So what we have discussed in the yesterday's session, IP changer tool. A part of it, we have discussed about the OSI model, TCP/IP model, right? Cisco courses, we have seen about some Cisco courses, certifications, and all the things. Okay, cool. So today we are going to start with our topic known as malware, so which is the important topic in the cyber security. Okay, guys, just comment over here because మళ్ళీ explain చేయాలి ఫస్ట్ చెప్పేస్తున్నా. Your network connection is unstable. Okay, so today we are going to start with the topic known as malware. Okay, so am I audible right now? Can you kindly give
Yes.
me the confirmation, guys?
Yes, we can hear you.
Hello. Yes. Okay. Cool. So, okay. So from today, we are going to start the actual topics of cyber security. So first thing, we are going to learn about the malware, damage, disturb, or gain unauthorized access to control to to control to access your computer or data to control anything. Okay, why we create the malware? To hack something, to harm something. Okay, to hack, if you wanted to hack something, what we have to do? We have to create the malware. Okay, in the malware we have some types that we are going to see in the upcoming slides. Okay, in the malware we have the types like virus, worms, trojan horse, adware, rootkits, backdoors, spyware, ransomware, and botnet. These are some types of malwares. Okay, these are some types of malware that we have. And malware, we know this thing, it is a harmful software, right? Because if you wanted to gain access of any operating system, so we have to create the malware. Okay, in the malware, these are the types. Like virus is one type, worm is different type of attack we can perform. Third type is a Trojan horse. This is the third type that we can perform the attack. Fourth is the adware. This is the fourth type of attack we can perform on the victim. Okay, these are the types of attack. So today in the today's session, we are going to complete the virus practical. Okay, we are going to discuss about virus theory, and once we are done with the theory, then we are going to start with the virus practical. Okay. In short, today we are going to complete the virus topic in the today's session. Okay, virus. So, okay, what do you know about the virus? In the real life example, can you give me an example of real life example of virus? Do you know what is mean by virus?
Sir, it is a malicious program, sir, that attached to the file or
I'm
folder
asking about the
once.
real life example. I'm not Darshan. I'm asking about the real life example.
Okay.
Example.
So it spreads.
Yes, it spreads. Example, we have a COVID, right? COVID. So it is comes under the virus, right? So if I wanted to give an example, real life example, so first the COVID was affected by one user, right? After that, it got spreaded into and it spreaded to the worldwide, right? So similar way, like it's like a flu, similar thing. Like if I wanted to give a real life example, it's like a flu. So what this virus does, so virus, a computer virus is a malicious software. Okay. So I will explain you in the notepad first thing. Give it.
Sir,
It will be
voice is
easy for you to remember all the
Voice is
points. Okay,
not
virus.
stable.
Let me just zoom it. So I'm trying my best. Okay, so I'm trying my best. Okay, so they are right now they are they're rectifying this network issue in the back end. So I will try my best to. Okay, but we are going slow. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the virus topic. Okay, first, virus is a malicious software, right? Because it has some bad intent. Malicious software, first thing. Okay, software. So in virus, what we do, we create a file. Inside this file, what we do, we write some malicious code. Malicious code. And okay, so if we have text file, so what will be the extension at last? If we have the text file,
.txt.
TXT.
if we have the image file,
JPG.
a part of it, alternative,
Sir, from it.
PNG.
.png.
PNG.
If we
Yes.
have zip file,
Zip.
.zip.
Zip.
we have rar file,
.rar.
.rar, right? But in the in the virus at the end, the extension will be .bat. Okay, what will be the extension at last?
.bat.
.bat. Okay, this will be the extension if you're creating the virus, and if you're creating a file at the file end, what we have to keep the extension as .bat. Okay, and we have to save this file after creating the bat file. We have to save this file and we have to share this file to the victim. After sharing this file to the victim, okay, so in the victim's laptop example, I have shared to the victim, and victim is using his laptop. Okay, once he has received, he can download it. He can download the virus file. Okay, virus file. Okay, but this file will be get stored for the permanent time duration. Okay, permanent. Okay, permanent time duration. Okay, so if this victim has double clicked on this virus file, then it's obviously it's going to getting executed, right? Once it's getting executed, then the virus can be okay. So virus can be hidden somewhere inside the system. Example, in the C drive, we have lakhs of files. In the C drive, inside the C drive, if I'm combining together, we have lakhs of files. Okay, inside the lakhs of files, it is going to hide somewhere so that we can't able to detect the virus. Okay, so this is known as the definition of virus. A virus, what we do, first we create the malicious software, right? Malicious code. First we create a file, text file. Inside the text file, we write some malicious code inside it. And then we share this malicious file to the victim. Okay, if the victim is double clicking on it, then only it's going to getting executed. Okay, so if a hacker has wrote the code, like after executing the software, okay, the virus should be getting hidden. So it's going to get hidden. If the hacker is not writing the code to get hidden, so it will not getting hidden. Like it will be in the desktop only. Okay, this is the thing. When the file is infected, program is executed, the virus activates and spreads. Okay, so example, I am the victim. I got the virus file. I have just double clicked on it. So it got executed and my system got infected. Okay, if a hacker wrote some code to spread the virus, then only it's going to spread the virus. Okay, so if a hacker is not writing to spread the code or something to spread the virus, in that scenario, does the virus is going to spread? No, right? Because hacker has not wrote the code to spread the virus. Okay, so this is the thing. And to execute the virus, so it's needs the human interaction, right? Example, victim has double clicked on it so that only it's executed. Okay, this is the definition of virus. When the virus is going to execute it, when the victim is double clicking on this virus file, then only the virus file is going to getting executed. If the victim is not double clicking on it, if the victim is not executing on it, the file will be storing in his system for the permanent time duration, like till he dies or till the system get crashed.
We
Okay.
cannot detect and remove that.
Yes, we can. So I will tell you all the things. First, now we are seeing the theory part, and then we are going to see the practical part, then detection, then prevention. We are going to see all the things. Okay, we are going step by step. Okay, see example, opening infected files or injecting some USB drive. Okay, in the USB drive also we can share the virus. Do you know this thing? Like some hackers, what?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Voice is
Yes.
stopped.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So right now, am I audible right now?
Now we can hear you.
Hello. Yes. Okay. So what the hacker they do usually they buy some cheap pen drives. So after purchasing some cheap drives, so what they're going to do, they are going to create a file. Inside the file, they are going to write some malicious code and they are going to copy the malicious file inside the pen drive. And they just throw these pen drives on the road. So some persons what they do while going through the road, like while walking on the road, they find the pen drive, right? So they just inject the pen drive inside the systems and they just found one file na, inside the pen drive. So they just what they will do out of curiosity, what they will do, they just double click on. So once they have double click on it, so what is happening? This is the scenario. Okay, so there is a
What the
one
person will get?
famous like a web. What the person will get, he will get the access of the victim system, complete victim system. I will show you in a while. Okay, there is a famous web series we have known as Mr. Robot. Okay, this is the
Hacking
famous web
machines.
series we have, Mr. Robot. Okay, in this total we have total four season, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Total 4 seasons, yes. Total 4 seasons we have. If you are watching the seasons in the second series, season 2, you can able to find what this guy has done. He has created a virus and he has just copied this virus and he has just pasted inside the pen drive. And he has just thrown this pen drive out of the FBI office, out of the FBI office. He has just thrown. So some of the FBI guy, what he has done while walking on the road, he has just found this pen drive and he has just injected this pen drive in his official system, like company system. So once he has injected, he got some file, he has just executed this file and his complete FBI server got hacked. Okay, by seeing this web series, you can get a rough idea what I mean to say. Okay, so if you want, you can just try to watch this web series. I have already downloaded this web series and I have present. I have this videos inside my drive. So total we have 4 seasons. Okay, if you want, you can watch these recordings. Okay, on the Saturday you are having the MCQ, right? On the Sunday it will be free, right? So you are having no sessions. Monday is Diwali, Tuesday is free. Okay, Tuesday also we are having no sessions on the Tuesday. So what you can do, you can watch this web series on the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
So how
Okay.
many days next
So
week
this,
is holiday?
like, see, sir,
They
Saturday
have
we
not
have the
informed.
yes. So that I'm informing right now. Okay. So on the Saturday we have the MCQ, right, which is of 18, and Monday we have the Diwali. On the occasion of Diwali, we are giving holiday on 20 as well. Okay, this is the thing. Monday, okay, Monday, Tuesday will be holiday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, in short. Yes. Okay, from 18th to 21st, it will be holiday. From 22, this session will be bigger, like going to continue as usual. Okay, right. So yes, now getting back to the topic. Okay, so see what the virus can do. It can damage the files. It can slow down the system. It can delete anything. Right now, we are going to perform these practicals. Okay, within a while. Okay, right now I have told you we are going to write some. We are going to create a file, right? And inside a file, what we do? We write some malicious code. So this malicious code is written in a programming language known as Bash. Bash programming language. Okay. Which language we use to create the virus? Bash programming.
Python.
Bash, not Python. If you wanted to create a virus in that scenario, you have to use the Bash programming language. Okay, and then you have to save the file with dot extension dot known as dot bat, and you have to save the file and you have to just share it to the victim. Okay. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to now theory done. Have you understood the theory? Do you have any doubts in the theory? Simple thing, what we are doing in the virus, we are just creating a file. Okay, inside the file, we are writing some malicious code. And once we have wrote the malicious code, we are saving the file name known as something.cybersecurity.bat. And then we are sharing it to the victim. Okay, if the victim is double clicking on this file, then only it's going to execute it. Okay, and then the code will be getting executed and his system might be get hacked. Okay, this is the scenario of virus. Okay, now we are going to diving in the practical part. Okay, so to perform the practical, where we have to perform the practical inside our main operating system or inside the VMware?
VMware.
Because yes, if you are executing the virus, as we already have discussed, these are the malicious codes, right? Harmful code, which might can crash the operating systems. I will show you. Like within 3 lines of code, using 3 lines of code, using 3 lines of bash code, we can crash the operating system completely. I will show you. Okay. But right now to perform this practical, what I'm doing, I'm using the Windows 10 operating system. Okay. So right now I'm turning on the Windows 10 operating system. Okay. And one more thing I wanted to show you guys. So please observe over here carefully. Once the operating system has got loaded, I will show you. Okay. So Windows 10 got turned on, right? Okay. So now I wanted to show you one thing. So I have successfully logged in inside my Windows 10 operating system, right? Just we wait for a few more minutes. Okay. Right now we have successfully logged in inside the Windows 10, right? Now, see, this is our dummy Windows 10, right? So what we are doing before executing, like before performing this virus practicals, what we are doing, just try to focus over here. There is a plus icon. Is it visible over here? Just let me just take a screenshot and I will just show you this thing. Have took the screenshot and let me just show you the screenshot, which button I was talking about. Okay. So here in the top bar, you are finding these options, right? In the top, right? In the top, you are finding these options, right? Now what we have to do, we have to use this cursor. Okay. Example, if I wanted to show which cursor, okay. We have to use this thing. We have to use this thing. Yes. This is used for to take this snapshot. Example, what is mean by snapshot is means that I will show you. I will tell you this thing. You have to click on this button. Why? I will tell you. See, right now we are using the Windows 10, right? So if you perform the virus practical, our operating system might get crashed. In that scenario, if we're clicking on this button, what we are doing, we are just taking a copy. We are creating a copy of this entire operating system. Right now, the operating system is working fine, right? It's working smoothly, right? So before performing the practical, what we have to do, we have to create a copy of this operating system. Example, after performing the practical, okay, after performing the practical, my system got crashed. My dummy operating system got crashed. So in that scenario, what we can do, we have created this snapshot, right? We have just created a copy of this operating system. We can load this copy of the operating system. Okay. So example, do you know Hindi, guys? Are you able to understand Hindi? Everyone?
No, sir.
Okay, no worries. Okay, no worries. So what we are doing before performing any practical, we are just making a copy of this operating system. Okay, example, after creating a copy, I have executed a virus and my this operating system got crashed. In the scenario, what you have to do, you have to reinstall the operating system, right? You have to do all the procedures, right? So example, you have done to creating a account, offline account, all the procedures, right? So to skip this, what you can do, you can just click on this, revert this virtual machine. Okay, you can click on this icon. Okay, I will show you. I will show you the icon as well. You can click after getting crashed operating system. What you can do, you can use the second feature over here. Okay, you can use this option to revert back the operating system. You have made a copy of the operating system, right? To load this copy, what you have to do, you have to click on this second icon. Okay, it will getting loaded. Like you have created a copy, we are going to load this copy only inside the operating system. Okay, simple thing. We are just keeping all the installation part. We are just using the copy version. If I wanted to give an example. Third button is for the settings purpose. If it's not loading successfully in that scenario, we can use the third button for the configurations thing. Okay, right now, what we have to do before performing the practical, I have to click on the snapshot. And now I'm just, you can name anything like I'm just mentioning as snapshot number 1. So I'm just taking a snapshot, take snapshot. Now you can see here it's saving, like savings take 9, 10, 11, right? In the left side, in the left side, right? Now what it's doing, it's creating a copy of this Windows 10 operating system.
I have an issue.
Yes.
That. This Windows 10 of it's not opening password. It's
It's
wrong.
asking for the password.
Yeah, password. I forgot the password. I can
Okay.
open in do in this one Windows 11.
You can. But sir, you have to like delete the files of Windows 10 and you have to reinstall once again. If you have forgotten your password, we can't do we can't do anything in this.
Forget
But I will
password
show you.
and we can.
But in the upcoming session, I will show you how to crack these login passwords in the upcoming sessions. Okay? In the upcoming sessions, like once you have completed this malware topics, once we are done with it, I will show you how to like bypass this Windows security password. Huge. Okay, right now
Okay.
it's saving, like it's creating the a copy of this operating system. So let us get a copy. So here 54 is done. So we will wait for a few more minutes. 55. I will show. I will show. I will show. If you're clicking on 2 times, so what is showing in the name, snapshot 1 or snapshot 2? Snapshot 1, snapshot 2. So just cancel the snapshot 2 and do the snapshot 1. Snapshot 2 ది క్లోజ్ చేసేయండి. కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. 100% అయిపోయింది. దీంట్లో డాక్యుమెంట్స్కి వెళ్ళండి. ఇది ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ విండోస్ కదా. దీంట్లో స్నాప్షాట్ ఉందా చూడండి. ఇవన్నీ డిలీట్ చేయాలి. స్నాప్షాట్ 2, స్నాప్షాట్ 1 ప్లస్ ఇది డిలీట్ చేసింది. ఏమైనా స్నాప్షాట్ ఉంటే అది కూడా డిలీట్ చేసుకోండి. మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకసారి చేయండి. Okay, now it's showing 72% has been done. Let me wait for a few more minutes. We're just making a copy of this operating system, okay? Simple thing. 76. Yes, my network is slow, so that it's taking time. No worries, we will go slow because these are the important topics. See, one thing I wanted to mention you guys, in the cyber security, we have some limited topics. Example, malware, these are the topics that you have seen, like virus, worms, Trojan horse, rootkit, adwell, and backdoor, all these things. So these are the limited topics. Every company, they are facing the attacks on this one. From this. Example, some of the companies, while you are giving the interview, they are going to ask you like this. Assume that we have like under the virus attack. In that scenario, how you are going to stop this virus attack. And else they are going to ask you like this, like assume that we are on the malware attack. So how you are going to detect the virus attack in our systems. So these are the things. In the previous, like previously, there was an interview that has conducted from our company end. So in this, like they have in the interview, they have asked, they have given the sample file of the virus. They told to execute this virus. After executing the virus, it's got hidden somewhere inside the system, and they told to users like the participants to just give me the path, okay, where the virus has been located inside the system. You have to find the path and you have to provide them the path. This is the task they have assigned to the student. No, after executing the files, it is getting hidden, right? It's hidden somewhere inside the C drive. So you have to find the path where it's got hidden, inside which folder, inside which directory, inside which path it's got hidden. You have to provide them the path. This was the task that they was assigned to the previous batch students while the interview. Okay, now I think we have done with the this thing, clone thing. Okay, now see if you wanted to find the path, like find the file where it's got saved. So in every system, you have to go to the document section in the file explorer. Inside this, you are going to find find a thing known as virtual machines. For sure. If you have done this thing, inside this documents, in documents folder, you can find a folder known as virtual machines. Have you found out that? Inside the virtual machines, right now we are using the Windows 10. Go inside the Windows 10, and inside the Windows 10, now you can see over here, last two files are snapshot1.vmem and snapshot1.vmsl. These are the files that has been took the snapshot. Okay, these are the clone version of files, copy version of the file of the operating system. Okay, have you got the files? Just just check it once. Does this cloning has been completed 100% or no? In the main operating. Yes. See, after taking the snapshot, after you have founded the files inside the documents, virtual machines, Windows 10, you are going to find these files, okay? Windows 10, x64, snapshot1.vm, and this thing. Okay, so if you wanted to load this file, okay, these are the copy version of the files, right? What we have done, we have just created a copy of Windows 10, right? These are the copy files. So what we have to do, if you wanted to load this file, which button you have to click? You have to click on second button, revert back. And then you have to see, do you wanted to restore snapshot number one? For clicking on yes, so it's going to load the copy operating system.
Amit, shall we do it once again? Because I am just opened the Windows 11.
Okay, Windows 11.
Yes. So from the beginning, I want to get this, what we have done.
File? फाइल नहीं मिल रहा है बट स्नैपशॉट का ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम तो लोड हो जा रहा है ना, तो हो जाएगा, तो वो ही चाहिए और क्यों पाथ नहीं मिला। हाँ, वो नहीं मिले, कौन सा पाथ नहीं मिला? स्नैपशॉट का जो फाइल था डॉक्यूमेंट्स का, वो तो मेन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में रहेगा। नहीं, मैं देखूंगा, मैं बताऊंगा। Okay, so what you have to do, if you wanted to create a copy of this, you have to click on this icon, take snapshot, this icon.
Okay, I have done that. Okay, next.
And here you can see over here, it will mention as snapshot number one. If I'm doing for the first time.
Okay,
okay. I already done the previous, like I have already done the cloning. Right now, what is showing? If I wanted to reclone it, what is showing? Snapshot number 2. Okay, because I am cloning this operating system for the second time. So that is showing snapshot number 2. And then if you're clicking on take snapshot, you can it's going to start creating this copy of this operating system.
Okay, so I'm getting this VM workstation saving virtual machines, state
saving
snapshot.
Yes. Yes. So you have to click on this, take snapshot, and then you can see in the left side, you can see saving state over here. Left side at the ending. Saving state 24, 25, 26, right? You can see some percentage over here on the left side. Okay. So then what you have to do? Yes. Is it showing in your systems?
No.
Okay,
Shall I
then
share my share?
do one thing. It directly got saved. So just go in the documents. Just click on the documents in the main operating system. In the main operating system, just click on the documents. And inside the documents folder, in the document section, you can find a new folder known as virtual machines.
No, I didn't get this. Shall I share my screen, please?
Yes. Second, third deletion. Then snapshot 2, 3 చూపిస్తారు అన్ని ఫైల్స్ డిలీట్ చేసి ఎందుకంటే మీరు ఆల్రెడీ 2 సార్లు చేశారు కాబట్టి 2 చూపిస్తుంది సో 2 టైమ్స్ అయిపోయింది కదా ఒకటేసారి చూడాలి 3 టైమ్స్ ఒకటేసారి 2 డిలీట్ చేసేయండి ఫస్ట్ స్నాప్షాట్ ఒకటి 1 పెట్టండి 2 3 డిలీట్ చేసేయండి ఓకే జస్ట్ గివ్ మీ ఎ మూమెంట్ ఇట్స్ షేరింగ్ రైట్ నౌ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ సమ్ టైం snapshot 2 files delete yes sir just
Yes,
open it just show me the VMware sir you are going to get inside the main operating system you have to check it in the main operating system not in the inside the VMware main operating system Windows 11 yes here go to open the file explorer like click on this PC go inside the documents here can you able to find the virtual machines
yes.
now inside the Windows 10 right now we are okay you are using the Windows 11 right yes Windows 11 okay just get back once again just open the second file like Windows 11 x64 yes second one here just scroll it a bit till the end see now in the last two we got the file snapshot1.vm snapshot1.vsn vm
Yes, yes.
right so these are the copy files of the Windows 11 that you have found out these files okay so now you can stop sharing your screen right okay so we have to do this for one time only you have to take this snapshot for only for the one time okay let me just reshare my screen okay done okay so now what we have to do see if our operating system will get crashed we have created a copy of this operating system so if you wanted to load the copy then in that scenario we have to click on the second icon revert back okay if you're clicking on the revert back now you can see over here do you wanted to restore snapshot 1 or 2 okay because I have done the 2 snapshots so it's showing the second snapshot okay if I am having only one snapshot if I wanted to show you see inside I have done 2 times of the snapshot so I will show you one thing documents virtual machines inside the Windows 10 I have how many times I have took the snapshot 2 times so here you
2
can
times,
see
yeah.
snapshot number 1 it has 2 files snapshot number 2 it has 2 files so if I'm deleting the snapshot number 2 files okay it's unable to delete why because I'm using the operating system right now so if you wanted to delete this snapshot you have to turn off this operating system and then you can able to delete these files okay so right now I have took the snapshot so this have you got understood why we are taking the snapshot because if our operating system in the future if our operating system might get crashed in that scenario we can revert back the operating system we can reload the copy operating system in short now first thing I will show you first thing see first thing is that I will show you the normal version of the virus okay normal version okay so first what we have to do we have to right click on this operating system if you are using the Windows 10 okay right click on new and click on shortcut how many of you guys are performing along with me right now okay 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 just I'm just mentioning you the steps what happened just reload done na? Okay so what you have to do you have to right click new and shortcut Shortcut. Okay, first thing, I will show you one thing. So here what it's asking, type the location of this item. But here what you have to do, you have to paste this command. Shutdown -s. Okay, I will show you this command as well. You have to execute this, you have to enter this command in your system. Shutdown -s -f -t, like \t and 0. I will explain you this command as well, why we are using this thing. It has been mentioned over here. You can see over here, and you can just enter this same thing in your shortcut section. Space. After shutdown, we have space. You have to give the space in between. Shutdown space \s space \f space \t and 0. Shortcut. Yes, smallest. Everything is in the small. Don't try to enter in the capital letter.
You want to type shutdown?
Okay, yes. You have to type this command. Okay, see what it's doing. I will explain you this thing. First, what has been mentioned in the command? Shutdown. What is mean by shutdown? To power off the operating system, right? Okay, /s, it means that we are just /s, it stands for shutdown. /s in short form. /f is for we are forcefully shutting down the operating system. Okay, /f is for forcefully we are shutting down the operating system. /t means that we are allocating some time for shutting down. How much time I have allocated over here? 0. Like if I'm executing, if I'm just double clicking on this file, so how much time it will take to shut it down? 0. Like within a fraction of seconds. If I'm double clicking on it, fraction of seconds is going to shutting down the operating system. Right? So if I wanted to give the explanation over here, I have mentioned over here, /s is for initialize the shutdown. Like if we wanted to shut down, so that we are using /s. And /f, like \f is used for forcefully. We are telling the software that I wanted to shut down the operating system right away. Okay, /t means that time. We are allocating the time. How much time I have allocated over here? 0 seconds. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to write this code. Okay, you have to write this code in the shortcut key. Right, done. Is it done? Okay, click on next. And here now it's asking to type a name for this shortcut, right? So now just name it as Chrome update. What you have to name it? Chrome update. If you want, you can give the space in between if you want, and click on finish. Simple thing. Okay. So after that, you can able to see a new file in the desktop, right? Okay. Now you guys let me know what is the code that we have written. Shutdown
Shutdown /s /f /t 0.
and 0, right?
Sure.
So what this command does,
Shutdown
it will shut down the operating system. But what is the file name that we have wrote over here?
Chrome update.
Chrome update. So if you are sharing this file to any victim, so what he's going to think?
Is a Chrome update
software,
file.
right? We
Yes,
got a
yes.
file of the Chrome update, but what is the actual code behind of it? Shutdowning the operating system. So now, genuinely as a cybersecurity professional, now you guys tell me if I'm sharing this file to you, are you going to double click on it? Are you going to execute this software? Why? Why? You know, okay. And one more thing, you know this thing, okay, cool. Apart of it, no one will be aware. Anything else? Anything else? So one more thing. So we have this icon over here, right? So what is the icon of this? Like something around like box, right? But what we have named as Chrome update. So to look like a Chrome update, what we have to do, we have to keep the icon as a Chrome update. New icon. Okay. So what we have to do, you have to open the browser. Okay, you have to open the browser, and right now
Download
what
icon.
we have named as. So you have to open the browser and you have to like click on start without your data and continue. Okay, continue. Okay. So now you can able to access your browser, right? inside the Windows 10. Now just type Chrome icon.icom and hit enter. Just give me a moment, guys. I'm getting a call. Hello. Yes. हाँ मैम बताइए. हाँ अभी सेशन पे हूँ. थोड़ा अर्जेंट है क्या कुछ? अभी ये थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. 11-12 बज जाएगा. कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट है तो बताइए. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. वो मैंने देखा है. आज देखा है मैंने. मेल पढ़ा है मैंने. ठीक है मैं अभी आता हूँ. मैं अभी ये मॉक कब का था ये? तो 2 बजे से करवा लेंगे हम. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. ठीक है चलो. ओके. Okay. So right now, are you facing the same issue in your system? Just Chrome update Chrome icon. You have to search. You have to open the browser Chrome.icon. Okay. Right now, I am unable to access the internet because I have done some configurations. For in your systems, you can able to access your browser, right? So now I will just search it in the main operating system. I will just transfer this file. What you have to search? Chrome.icon. Okay. And over here, just give me a moment. Let me just first do this thing. No. ENG, no other. See, after searching for Chrome.icon, what you have to do, you have to click on this website, Icon Finder. Have you got this website? Icon Finder. Yes, Chrome icon free download of icon. Yes, this is the thing. Have you got this website? Everyone, right? So just click on it, and after clicking on it, you can able to see this logo, right? Now click on this other button, other, and here you can see ICO has been selected, and just download this in ICO. Yeah, you have to be fast, yeah. Other, and download this icon. Have you all downloaded this icon, or have you got stuck anywhere? Have you got stuck anywhere? Please let me know. I will repeat the steps once again.
Yeah, from the this one icon, that icon I had not created yet.
Just okay. Which one? File?
Yes.
File 1. You have not created the file yet.
No.
Just do one thing, guys. It's for everyone. Just do one thing from the tomorrow session. If you're joining, first try to join with your mobile phone. Okay, because it will be easy for you to perform the steps along with me. You can watch in the phone, okay, and you can perform these practicals on your laptop. It will be easier for you. Okay, next, okay, I will show you, don't worry. But here, okay, I will just I'm just recreating the file. Okay.
Okay, I
What?
went to this Windows 11.
Right click, new.
One second. Okay, right click.
New.
Okay.
Shortcut.
All right.
Got it. Now
Yes.
it's asking to enter your path, right? Some path.
So you are in the main, in the main.
No. In the virtual box only.
In the virtual box. Okay. In the Windows 11, I am doing it. Okay.
You have to enter this command in the path section.
So type the location of the item in there.
Uh-huh.
I have to.
In that you have to type this thing: shutdown space backslash s space backslash f space t and v.
T space O 0 or
Zero,
what is
zero,
that?
not O,
Zero.
zero.
Space 0 or
Space zero, space zero.
space 0. Okay. Next.
Done. Next, let me also do this thing. Okay. Click on next.
Okay.
And here it will asking you for the name, right?
No. The file shutdown /s/f justice cannot be found.
Just check the command once again. It should be everything should be in the small letter.
Shutdowns. Oh, space.
It
You have
should
to-
be, it should be, it should. Shutdown space backslash s space backslash f space backslash t space 0.
Yeah, I can see type a name for the shortcut shutdown.
Yes. Now
Okay,
you
then
have to
finish. Yeah?
enter Chrome update. Chrome space update and click on finish.
CHROME
Yes, and space UPADAT
UPADE.
okay. And click on finish.
Update. Chrome update.
Hmm.
Yeah, I got the.
Right. Now open your browser and search for in the Windows only. In the Windows 11 only, you can search chrome.icon. He's using Windows 11. He got logged in the Windows 10. So that I'm.
Okay, I can see here a Chrome icon download.
This. Icon.finder. Have you founded this website? You are going to get this website once you have searched this Chrome space.icon.
1 second. Chrome.icon. So I'm getting this Chrome box that. So here Chrome icon symbols.
Sir, in chat box I can't send links, sir.
Yes. I think this they have
Free download,
disabled the chat.
You want
Sir,
me
you
to
have
click
to open this website, pre-download one.
free
And,
icon free download.
and after that, you have to click on the other. Okay. You have to click on the other and you have to download this icon. Okay. Till here, is it done for everyone? Okay, cool. Now
So,
I have
Chrome, Google Chrome icon dashboard icons is there. You want me to click that?
Google Chrome icon dashboard icons. Have you opened this link, Icon Finder website one? Okay, let me do one thing. Sir, I'm just sharing you the link. Just click on the link in the chat box.
Okay.
Done, sir. In the chat box, I have shared. Just click
Okay.
on the other icon, and download this icon. Okay, right now, let me just transfer this file.
So when I done that, I got the Chrome
Downloaded
icon.
the icon,
Okay.
right?
You want me to just download, is it? Okay.
Download the icon.
Okay, done.
Okay, right now we have two things, right? One, we have downloaded the icon. One, we have created the file. So now what you have to do, the file that you have created named as Chrome update, you have to right click on it. Okay. Right click on it. Click on properties. And after clicking on properties, you have to click on change icon. Click on OK. Okay, and click on browse and select the icon where we have downloaded the icon and click on OK. And OK. Now you can able to see. Now you can able to see. Properties. Properties. Last one. Have you downloaded the icon? Change icon. Click on OK. Browse and select the icon that you have downloaded. Click on browse. Browse icon. Now open. Apply. Okay. Everything. Okay, apply everything. Okay, apply everything, sir. Click on OK. Done? Yes, select it, click on OK, OK, apply and OK.
Shall I share my screen, please?
Yes, sir, you can.
Because I'm okay.
Now, after changing the icon, just try to double click on it and check what is happening. Double click on it. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Amit, you
Right
want me
click.
to right click here?
Yes, right click.
Properties, sir.
Properties.
Okay.
Change icon.
Center, sir.
Change icon. We have buttons.
Center, sir.
Below. Yes. Click on OK. Browse. Click on browse. And just select the icon where you have downloaded the thing. Downloads, I think you have downloaded the icon in the download section, na? Where you have downloaded the icon, sir?
Yes, I have downloaded. And this
Where it is?
Chrome update.
Sure. Searching documents, sir. Documents or pictures.
And
Click on the
it's not
documents.
there.
No, usually it should
Pictures.
getting downloaded in the documents only.
Oh, sir.
Pictures. Yes. So you have not downloaded the
Sir.
icon yet, sir. Just copy
Sir.
the link.
Sir, maybe it's a PNG file. We downloaded.
Sir, yes, sir, I think so, sir. Yeah, I haven't downloaded ICO file.
guess
I downloaded the PNG file.
Just open, sir. Open the browser, Microsoft Edge browser. Microsoft Edge browser. Yes. Just search for Chrome space. Yes. Just paste the link down. Okay. Click. Just make it full screen, sir. First thing. Just click on the other. Up. Yes. Click on the other. We
Where
have
it
the
is?
PNG, right? Other. Beside of the PNG. Other.
Sir,
Yes. Other. Yes. Down. Huh. Now download this icon. Now it got downloaded. Previously you have downloaded the PNG file.
Okay.
This is the issue that we was not. Now you click on browse. Just click on change icon. Click on browse and select the icon in the download section. Click on open and click on OK.
apply, okay. Sir.
You can just, if you're clicking OK, then it's going to up.
Yes, got it.
Now if I double, okay. So now, okay, guys, just watch over here. Right now, guys, right now, what is the file name?
Chrome update.
update. What is the icon? Chrome, right? So if you're sharing this file right now to the victim, so what is the chances that he's going to execute this thing? How much chances we have that victim is going to execute this file? 100%, because it's looking like an legitimate, right? But okay, so what name we have entered over here in this file? Chrome
Chrome
update.
update.
Okay, now so try to double click on this file. Double click on this. Now see what is doing? Shutting down the
Shutting down.
operating system, because we have mentioned the file name as Chrome update, but what the code that we have written to shut down the operating system. Okay, this is a normal code. For now, it's a normal code. Now, See, in this do we have created any file or anything?
No.
No, right? As per the virus description, what we have learned, we have to create a new text file. Inside the new text file, we have to write the code, like bash script language code, and then we have to save it with the which extension? Dot
Bash.
bat, right? Now what we are going to do, we are going to perform this practical right now. Okay. Sir, can you stop sharing your screen?
Sure.
Sure. Okay, this is the one method. Okay, next I am going to show you some other alternative methods, the actual thing. Okay, let me just keep it aside somewhere. Cool. Okay, now I will show you. Okay, in the presentation, we have done this practical number 1. Okay, method number 1. Now we are going to the method number 2. Okay, right. So, okay, cool. Okay, now please focus over here. I am not going to re-explain once again. Try to watch carefully over here. Okay, right now what we have learned, what we have discussed, to create a virus, we have to create a text file, right? So to create a text file, what we have to do, we have to right click, new, and text file. Right now we have to create a document, right? We have to create a text file. Inside the text file, we have to write some malicious code, right? So that new and text document. Okay, I have clicked on the text document, right? So I am just hitting enter for now. Okay, I'm just hitting enter for now. Now what it's got opened over here? New text pad, right? Notepad that we can call it as. Now here, what we have to do? We have to write some malicious code, right? Which is in the bash script. Which language we have to use? We have to write for creating the virus bash script, right? So to write the bash script, first thing. How many of you guys knows the C language?
Sir, I know,
C
sir.
programming language. C programming language.
Sir, I know,
Right?
sir.
Okay, in the C programming language, generally we use some lines like hashtag include stdio.h, conio.h. Have you remembered this thing?
Yes, sir. Header files.
stdio.h. Yes, stdio.h we use for to print the output. To see the output, we use the stdio.h. Okay, similar way to execute this bash script, we have to add this header. Example, echo of. Okay, to see the output. Okay, sorry, to not see the output, we have to use this thing. Echo of. In every if you are writing any bash code, then you have to mention this line for sure in the header. Echo of. So now, if we wanted to create a folder in the Linux, so what was the command? Yes, what was the command? mkdir and the folder name, right? That we wanted to create. So right now, mkdir, let's create a folder known as cyber security, right? So how many lines I have coded over here? 2 lines.
Two
Right
lines.
now, this is the file which has been extension has .txt. So what we have to do, we have to click on file and then click on save as. Now you can see our new document, right? Now I'm just entering. I'm just mentioning the name as new doc because we are creating the new document or folder, right? And dot, what is the extension that we have to add?
Yes.
Bat.
.bat. Okay. So what we have done? .bat. Okay. New doc.bat. I have just kept the file name as new doc.bat. I'm just clicking on save. Okay. I'm just closing this thing. See, this was the text file which we have wrote the code, and this is our virus in short. Okay. What is the file name? New doc. Okay. Now in the screen, are you seeing any folder over here right now? Have you able to see any folder? Any folder?
No.
No, right? So if I'm just double clicking on this script, okay, on this file, okay. Now Can you see able to see the folder over here?
Yes.
Right? Now there is a question for you guys. If I have clicked on this file, so what we have wrote the code over here, mkdir cyber security, right? To create a new folder. So it has been, if I'm double clicking on it, so it has created a folder. So now you guys let me know if I'm double clicking on this file. So would it going to create a new folder? Yes or no? One file is
Yes.
already created with the name of cyber security. So if I'm double clicking on it, so would it going to create one new more folder? Why?
Yes.
Yes, because already the same name has been existed in the desktop. We can't create multiple folders using the same name. Have you seen? Like if you're just renaming, if you're copying and pasting some images, it will show you something, right? Same file name extension is already existed in this directory. So what we can do, right? So example. So now if I wanted to show you this thing, let me just re-execute. Okay. Re-execute. Now I have re-executed. So any new folder has been got popped up over here. New folder. New folder. A part of the cyber security. Leave cyber security. I have just double click on it once again. I have double clicked on it. See, I'm double clicking on it. So is any new folder has been creating a part of cyber security? No, right? Because cybersecurity folder has already existing over here. So if I'm deleting this file, I'm deleting this folder. And if I'm just re-clicking on it in this scenario,
It will come. Again, it will come.
Come the cyber security.
cybersecurity, right? Have you understood this code? What we have done this coding? Now what we can do now, mk. So what we have to execute, what we have to enter the command. Now you have to tell me the command
Echo.
Echo space
of.
off.
Now I
Create-
wanted to create multiple folders. Yes, multiple folders. Example, cyber security. Okay, I'm just copying this thing. Copying mkdir cyber security 2, or just name it as 1, cyber security 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Total, how many folders is going to create right now?
11.
Are you sure? Are you
10,
sure?
10.
Think about it once again. If I'm just saving this file and I'm just re-executing this file, already we have the cybersecurity folder. So what it's going to do is going to skip the first command. And how many folders are it going to create?
10.
So first thing, you have to listen the question carefully, and then you have to think about it, and then you have to answer. Okay. So to save this file, what I have to do? I have to click on File, Save As, and then new. I will just name it as new doc2 dot bat. I'm just saving the file. Okay, got saved. Okay, now you can see new doc2 dot file has been got, new file has been got popped up over here, right? So now what we have to do, we have to execute this new .2 dot this thing. So I'm just re-executing. Okay, see, cybersecurity already existed, but right now, see, cybersecurity 10. Right now, starting with cybersecurity 1. See, cybersecurity 1, cybersecurity 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now that it's skipped the first command. Okay, remaining, it's created the new files. Okay. Now, so how many folders we have created in the desktop? 10 or 11
11.
total? Total 11. Okay. So till here, have you understood this thing? What we are doing right now? What we are doing exactly? Okay. Now assume that I wanted to create a loop, like multiple. Example, what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to teach you multiple command prompts opening. Okay, what we are going to do now? We are going to open multiple command prompts. Okay, right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click -loop. Okay, so what I have done, I have just created a class, example -loop. What is the class name? Loop. It is the class. Okay, what I have to open right now? Notepad. Example CMD. Command prompt. Now I wanted to open the command prompt in the Windows. So to open the command prompt, we can enter this command. I will show you this command if I'm not wrong. Let me just show once again. Yes. Okay. Okay. Start and then go to A. Here start and then what was the third command? Go to A, right? But here go to loop. Because if I wanted to show you what we are doing, I will just explain you in this. What we have done first, we have created a class known as A, and start, it means that it's going to start the command prompt. Okay, if you are entering the start, it is going to open the command prompt. And then what it's going to do, go to A, it means that then what it's going to do, then it's going to execute the A command. Am I audible right now? Hello?
Yes.
Guys, am I audible right now? Hello,
Yes, we
hello.
can hear.
Yes, yes, sir.
There is some network issues here. Yes, okay, cool. So have you understood these 3 lines of command? So what we are doing in this? Yes, we are creating a class name known as A, and then we are starting the command prompt so that we have entered the start, and then go to it means that it will be just redirecting to the first line. Okay, so it will create a loop, like it will run for the unlimited time. Okay, so do we do this thing? I have told you now we can crash any operating system, right? Using the 3 commands. This is the 3 commands that we can crash any operating system. I will show you in a while. See right now, okay, I have done this thing right now. I'm just clicking on the file. Okay, I'm just clicking on the file, save as, and let's name it as new doc 3.bat and save. Right? Okay, now have the file has been got created. New doc 3. Should we execute this thing? Are you ready? Okay. Now see, before executing, how many files are there total? Like 11 folders, and there are some Chrome update that we have created and so this thing, right? So now, if I'm just executing it, just try to watch it carefully. I'm just executing. Okay. See. Just. We wait for a few
Some
minutes.
network issue.
Now you can't able to
Okay.
access anything. Like you can't able to open the file explorer. You can't able to do anything. Like you can't able to click on this.
Amit, there is a
Sorry,
network issue.
am I
I
audible
think
right
there is
now?
yeah, it's lags little, and it has deleted some of this one. We couldn't able to see what you have done.
Okay, sir.
File.
So I have just executed these 3 lines of code. Okay, inside a file. Okay, inside the file text file, I have executed these 3 lines of code. I have
Yeah.
pasted the 3 lines code inside the text file and just I have executed the file. After executing the file, now we can see, okay, see, right now my Windows 10 operating system got crashed. Right now it's not turning on right now. Now you can see it's loading. You can see the loading bar.
Yes, sir.
In the mouse cursor, you see some loading has been happening.
Yes.
Yes. Why? Why? Because I will tell you. I will explain you this thing. Let me just shut it down. Power off, shut down. Okay, let me just shut down, power off, shut down list. So just give me a moment, guys. Have done in. So we have just used 3 lines of code and we have opened multiple number of command prompts right inside the operating system. So now, okay. So just now, if I wanted now, so see, now we are humans, right? So example, let's take someone online participants. There are 13 participants. Example, Darshan. Darshan, are you there in the meeting right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm there.
Okay. What is your weight right now?
Sir, my weight is 68, sir. 68.
68, right? So
Yes, sir.
what is the maximum dumbbell you can lift?
25 kg.
25 kg. Cool.
Yes, sir.
So what I give you to lift 30 kgs of weight?
It's hard, sir.
Huh? You will try your best,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes,
But
sir.
you can hardly you can do the 1 to 2 reps, right? Okay.
Yes, sir. On reps,
If
sir.
I'm just increasing the limit, 50 kg, 50 kg,
Sir, I'll
50
do
kg.
it. 15 reps, sir.
Are you
15 to
able to
20
lift the
reps.
50 kg weight?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
you can able to do?
Yes, sir. I'll do 15 to 20 reps, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. No, 50 kg, 50 kg. If
50.
I am giving
Oh,
you
no, sir. No, sir.
50, 50.
So I can't
Are you
even
able to
lift,
lift
sir.
the
I
weight?
can't even move.
Yes, right?
No, sir. No,
So,
sir.
see, why I'm giving you this explanation is, see, our system, right? Our system, operating system we have, right? We have inside our systems, we have the processors, RAM, and all the things, right? Graphics card. But it has some loading capacity. Okay, it has some loading capacity. By executing these 3 lines of code, what we have done, we have increased the load on these chipsets, RAMs, processor, graphics card. We have just flooded the load on them on this chipset. So what it does, so it's can't able to take the load, right? So what it's got crashed. Okay, this is the thing. If you wanted to crash anything, so we have to increase the load. Okay, example, we have to do the DOS attack, DDoS attack. We are going to see in the upcoming session. In this DOS attack, DDoS attack, what we are going to do, attacker is going to send number of packets on the server. So our server has also some capacity, loading capacity. So if the loading capacity is getting increased, so in that scenario, the server is going to stop responding back. Okay, similar way, our system has some capacity to open the applications at a time. Okay, example, in 1 minute we can open, it can open 10 to 15 things, notepads. But what we have done, within a minute, we are opening 30 to 40 command prompts, right? So that it's getting overloaded and the operating system is getting crashes. Okay, so right now what I have done, I have crashed my operating system, right? So let me just manage. Yeah, let me just stop. Okay, for this I have to think. Okay, okay. Okay, so here I can't able to find this icon as well. So once it's got crashed, so what you have to do, you have to close this close this software, or else you can completely forcefully you can shut down your main operating system. First, you have to restart your main operating system. Okay, I will show you. First, what you have to do after getting crashed, you have to restart your system, main operating system. After restarting, it will getting closed, right? It will getting closed, right? Like it is right now the operating system is in the turn on mode. We can't, if you're seeing right now, if I'm right clicking on it and if you're clicking on the power button, can we are able to click on these icons right now? No, right? Because right now the active attack is going on in the still in the back end. Okay.